Foshan ZHIEN Machinery Company Limited was established in 2014 and has been deeply involved in the industry of automatic packaging solutions for 10 years. As an experienced automation equipment manufacturer, we were engaged in processes of integrating machine design, R&D, production, sales, and maintenance. We focus on the unmanned packaging environment and provide customized packaging solutions for different industry of food, daily chemical, hardware, healthcare. Our main products are doi pack packing machine, vertical packing machine, counting packing machine, tea packing machine, flow pack machine, filling machine, cartoning machine, and other packaging machinery. Our production process with well-equipped facilities and all-round quality control process for qualify machinery. Hundreds of machine models with ODM services are available to meet different packaging requests for our customers from more than 300 cities of domestic and overseas markets. After a decade of development, the company has built an excellent team of R&D, technical, sales, production, and quality inspection, which ensure that we could provide professional and high-quality services from machine design to project implementation. We take customer satisfaction and trust as the core value to win the market. Our vision is to improve production efficiency by providing applicable automatic packaging solutions. Thank you for your watching. Hoping to get cooperation with you in the future.